Wait a minute, what are we even battling for?
I love that prize.
I won. I won. I won. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Are you going to bring them back?
Ho ho ho! No. But I'll make an exception. If you bring back the budget, you are automatically safe. Everyone else will put up for elimination for the voters to decide.
I've already got plenty of questions. First of all, why is your voice like that? Second, who are the quote-unquote voters? Third of all,
You don't need to know that right now. Just do the challenge.
but I don't know how to do the challenge. You cut me off as soon I was about to ask how we get the budget back, and what are the punishments for getting eliminated anyway. Oh great.